Today's job is to replace the master cylinder on the clutch on a 2012 Vivaro van. I picked this one up off eBay, brand new in a box, cost 16 quid. Okay, now the master cylinder on these is hidden right down here. You have to take this plastic plate out, pop the two clips to hold it in, lift it out, and then there's the cylinder. Two connections, one here, and then you've got to attach the pedal at the top. So let's take them out. So this is the low pressure side from the reservoir of hydraulic fluid, and it's a shared reservoir with the brake, and this is the high pressure end which actually goes to the clutch cylinder itself. First thing to do is clamp off the pipe so that you don't drain all the fluid onto the floor when you remove that pipe. Tip for removing rubber pipes: spray some WD-40 on the junction first before you prise it off with a screwdriver, and that'll mean it'll come off really easy. Okay, so spray WD-40 on that, and now we're going to get the screwdriver on it and we're going to prise it off. So it's coming off quite easy. Oops. Yeah, I needed two hands to pull that off. So as you can see now, pried the cable off, and because we've locked it off with the mole grips, we've not lost any fluid, or very little small amount of fluid. Now the second one is this clip here. It's easier to see this on the new cylinder, the new master cylinder. So as you can see, that clip needs to be pulled this way, and then that clip will lock into that groove there. This side will lock into that groove there, and that will allow you to remove the pipe and push the new one in. So as you can see, pull the clip back on the new one, and now that will just come straight out, no problem. And we're going to do exactly the same with the actual pipe underneath the vehicle. Okay, so these are the ends of the clips. Let's just see if it'll slide along this way first. Yep, there it goes. And now this will pull out relatively easily. There you go. Obviously you're going to lose some fluid out of the cylinder, but not an awful lot. That's just the fluid that is actually held in this reservoir here. Now I need to turn this so we can clip it out of this bracket. Okay, so all you do is get the screwdriver up here, prise the top of this off the pedal, and now as you can see, pulls straight down. Get that away, and there we are, item out. So there's the old one out, and the new one again, you push it up, turn it so it locks in place. That just pushes on to the ball joint, which is the top of the pedal, and then we just reconnect the pipes. Okay, so we slide it up, roughly about there, turn it, and that locks that into place. We put the pipe on there, push this pipe back up, push the clip onto it, feel up here, feel the top of the piston, feel the top of the pedal, and just clip it on. That's it, job done. Right, so that's the pipe pushed on as well. So that's the pipe pushed on here, this pushed in, clip locked, hand up here, clipped onto the little ball joint at the top, release, and now we just need to bleed the clutch. So fitting that cylinder's taken me, how long? Well, 5 minutes to do it, that's all. So a new cylinder in 5 minutes. Probably take me longer to bleed the system. So this is the shared fluid reservoir. We need to top that up as we're bleeding it. Now the actual bleed nipple, I don't know if you can see all the way down there to that hydraulic pipe down there, right the way into the engine bay. You've got to do this by touch almost, but it's a 10mm on the actual clutch pipe that you need to attach it to. Again, it's a little bit fiddly, but there's the spanner on the nut with the pipe, and I just move the pipe up here back into the master cylinder. So all the fluid that are pumping through, we're just pumping back into the master cylinder. We will need to top it up obviously because we lost a bit before. Okay, so clutch is now bled. Let's have a look. Clutch feels good. Take it for a run now. Look at that. And all the way back up, no problem at all. Yeah, feels good. Right, hope you enjoyed the video.